high school trip, but I don't really want to go there.
Okay, yeah. Here comes Mr. Corey. Mr. Corey, hello, assalamualaikum. How are you today, Mister? You're still muted, sir. Maybe you can unmute your video first. Okay. So
Sorry
can you tell
for
me a little
joining
bit?
late, sir. I'm Mr.
Okay, no
Tony
problem.
and
It's okay.
others. Introduce
Yes. So
myself, Mr. Corey.
yes.
Yes, Mr.
Mm-hmm.
Tony.
Oh, where do you work? What is your activity today?
I am a part-time teacher in Jati Asih in
Oh, I
Komsen.
see. Oh, okay.
I live
You're in
in
Jati Asih.
Bojongkulur, sir.
Okay. I live in Jati
Yeah.
Asih too. This is in Jati Asih.
Yes. That's why when I
Okay.
saw your Instagram and then there is the
Okay.
advertisement, right? And then
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want to improve my English skill actually.
Oh, that's nice. Nice intention. Okay, you will get it here.
Thank you.
Okay, Miss Priska, how are you, Miss Priska? Can you tell me a little bit about your activities today? Miss Priska, if I'm mistaken, she's an IT manager. Yeah, or you
Uh,
are an IT manager, aren't you? Right, Miss
yeah,
Priska?
yeah,
You
still.
can maybe you can introduce yourself to our friends here.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Tony, and all. My name is Priska, and you can call me Priska.
Yeah.
And currently, I'm still working in near from West near
Oh,
from Center Jakarta.
mm-hmm. Yeah. Central
Yes,
Jakarta
and
must be very crowded, right? It must be very
yes,
crowded, the place that
yes, right.
you work. Okay.
Yeah,
So
and
I heard that it's raining heavily there in central Jakarta. I heard there's a tree falling down in Tomang Raya. Is it correct?
yeah, correct. But
Okay.
uh, I I am still I'm still go to my office with a train, and after 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 I'm take
Mm-hmm.
yeah
Mm-hmm.
after I I go to with train, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and I after that I continue to bus or to driver online.
Okay, nice. Yeah, you must be
Uh
very hectic working
yeah,
there, right?
but
Okay.
uh yeah, I still working from Monday to Friday, but
From
someday
Monday to Friday. Wow.
uh yeah, but someday twice a week I go to office, and beside that I'm working in home, or
Okay.
anywhere. I
Okay.
can yeah, I can working anywhere.
Mhm. Okay, thank you, Ms. Fresca, for your introduction. And then we have also Miss Deborah. Miss Deborah is we can call it like a civil servant. Civil servant is PNS. Yeah.
Uh, I'm sorry, sir.
Oh, this one is Kevin. Kevin or
Yes,
Deborah?
this is me.
Kevin or Deborah?
I'm Kevin. I'm using my
Uh,
wife account
okay, yeah.
because I have some trouble
Oh, yeah.
in my Google Meet account.
Guys, I would like to introduce all of you. Yeah, to Kevin. Kevin is great content creator. Maybe you've ever heard an Instagram account or TikTok account named Balomba, and then he's the manager. Yeah,
Yeah.
Balomba,
Hello,
he's the manager.
guys.
I
Hello,
Okay,
ever
guys.
heard, sir.
Hello.
okay. Yeah, maybe we can learn each other here, and then allow me to share our module today. So our goal is very simple. Yeah, to complete the total 43 skills in grammar. Yeah, because it is called English Grammar Camp, right? Something like that. Yeah. So you've got this kind of module, right? And then yeah, we're gonna master it. Our target for today is 8 skills. So from total 43 skills that I have in here, our target for today is 8 skills. If you try to jot down 8 skills, will be coming from the first one is later simple present tense, and then present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, simple past tense until past perfect continuous tense. Okay, that's our first goal, our first day goal. Yeah. So without further ado, I'd like to start with our first topic here. Yeah. It's about simple present tense. Okay, what do you know about this? Yeah. So we can have a sample like this. Can you read this one? Maybe Mr. Corey? I drink.
I use actually gadget because my laptop's still on charging, so
Oh, it's
but
okay,
I
no
will
problem.
try. But it's too small,
Okay. Oh, it's too small for you. Okay.
too small.
What
But I
about?
can hear
Mhm.
clearly the sound.
Okay. Okay. Kevin, can you help me to read this one?
Okay. I drink coffee every morning.
Okay, Haninda, help me to read this one.
He speaks English fluently.
Okay, Mr. Corey, can you, not Mr. Corey, Miss Priska, can you read this one?
Yes, they study in the classroom every day.
Okay. And next, Mr. Farid, can you read this one?
My father works in the office all week.
Okay, and then Haninda again, the next one.
Our dog always barks when guests come.
Yes, we try to analyze from the first until the fifth year. Yeah, I drink coffee every morning, and then he speaks English fluently. They study in the classroom every day, and then my father works in the office all week, and our dog always barks when the guests come. So if you try to notice in here, yeah, we have the pattern of subject plus verb one, and then there is like adverb of frequency, like for example, yeah, always, yeah, often, or maybe every day, something like that. Yeah. And then we have the pattern of this one. It is subject plus verb one. Yeah. So I'll try to jot down here. Maybe you can see my screen. Yeah. Behind me, there's the whiteboard. Can you see this?
Yes,
Can you see
sir.
my whiteboard?
Yes, we can see.
Subject. Put one in here. We try to define it in two. Yeah. For the subject of they, and then we, I, and you. Yeah. The typical verb is become, S or es. And then for he, she, did, yeah, and single name or singular name, did with S or es. Yeah. For example, you can see here, my father works. Yeah, my father works because my father belongs to he, right? So my father works in the office all week. If I try to change my father into I or you, so what will it be? I work in the office all week. Okay. Next, look at our dog always barks when the guests come. Yeah, our dog refers to what is the pronoun of our dog? What is the pronoun of our dog? Kalau anjing kami itu kalau kita ganti kata gantinya menjadi apa? Apakah he, she, it, you, they, yang mana?
It.
Or dog? It. Very good. Jadi it always barks. Yeah. So as the subject verb agreement, yeah, our dog refers to it and then always and then barks using as when guests come. Yeah. Di sini come, kenapa? Because the second subject is guests, in which it is plural. Yes. This one. I drink coffee every morning. What if I try to change I into my father or my dad? Okay, what will it be, Mr. Farid? If I change I into my dad, and then it becomes what? Menjadi apa? My father atau my dad? My dad drinks coffee every morning. Okay? Kevin, can you help me? When I change he into they, what will it be? Menjadi they?
They speaks English fluently.
They
They
pakai S.
yeah.
Okay.
They
Menjadi apa,
yeah.
Kevin? They
They are.
they speak
They speak
English
English
fluently. Ya.
fluently.
Jadi tinggal
Yeah,
kita
nggak pakai
hilangkan
S.
S-nya seperti itu. Maybe there's kind of questions. Mister, kalau misalnya saya terlanjur ngomong is, are, atau am, bagaimana? No problem. You only put gerund. What is gerund? It is verb A, or we call it present participle. Contoh, Saya sudah terlanjur ngomong I am. Apakah saya harus ngomong I am drink coffee? No, I'm drinking coffee. Gitu. Saya sudah terlanjur ngomong he is Mr. atau his. Apakah saya ngomong he is speak? No, he is speaking English fluently. Okay? Saya sudah terlanjur ngomong they are Mr. Apakah saya ngomong they are study? No, but they are studying in the classroom every day. Saya sudah terlanjur ngomong my father is Mr. Apakah my father is work? No. My father is working in the office all week. Seperti itu ya. As a spoken language, kalau kita sudah terlanjur ngomong I am, he is, you are, you are, tinggal ditambahin apa tadi? Verb
Gerund.
Gerund.
atau gerund, betul ya. Disebut juga verb ing, disebut juga gerund, disebut juga satu lagi namanya present participle. Saya tuliskan ya di sini.
Oh,
Participle is like this. Present participle.
this.
Ya, present participle ini adalah verb ing atau gerund. Atau gerund. Oke, ya. And then the typical sentence, typical pattern for present simple, it is always followed with adverb of frequency. Misalnya seperti ini. Kita sebut dengan adverb of frequency. Apa sih adverb frequency ini? Kata keterangan yang menyatakan apa namanya
How
frekuensi.
often?
Yeah. For example, like we try to explain the degrees. Kalau kita jelaskan degree-nya, see, the first one is what is it? Always.
Always.
And then what is the you usually. What is the third?
Sometime.
Ya, sebelum sometimes itu udah often. Ya, bacanya bukan often tapi often. Ya.
Often.
Seperti itu.
Often.
Okay. Always, usually, often. The next one is sometimes.
Sometimes.
Okay. Always, usually, often, sometimes. Setelah sometimes. Apa?
Rarely.
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 Rarely or seldom. What is the meaning of rarely or seldom? Ada yang tahu the meaning of rarely or seldom?
A half do it, a half didn't do it.
Oh, okay. Mr. Andrian has joined already, right? Now, Mr. Andrian,
Yeah.
maybe you can tell me what is the meaning of seldom? Rarely. Mr. Andrian? Okay. Maybe anyone can help me? Miss Friska or maybe Mr. Corey, can you help me? What is the meaning of rarely or seldom?
Rarely when we help do something. I think the frequent,
Okay.
half habitual.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The meaning of rarely or
Sometimes.
seldom is jarang. Yeah.
Yeah.
Jarang. Yeah. Always
On-
selalu.
on
Usually
or-
biasanya. Often sering. Yeah. Sometimes terkadang atau kadang-kadang. Rarely or seldom means jarang. Yeah.
Jarang.
What's the last?
Maybe
What is the
once
last? The
or
last is
twice.
terakhir?
Never.
Never.
Never. Very good. Yeah, correct. It's never. Like for example, I never drink alcohol. I never smoke cigarette. I never kill anything. I never steal something. Somewhere. Yeah. I always come punctually. Yeah. I usually take a swimming course every Sunday for somewhere. Yeah. I often make some barbecue in the morning with my family for somewhere. Yeah. That's the indicator of adverb frequency. Yeah. Adverb frequency. And then one more is satu lagi ada namanya time signal. The typical time signal for present simple apa saja? Contoh ya, every day. What else? What else? Every week.
Every
What
week.
else? Sundays. Loh, Mister, ini kok Sundays-nya pakai S? Kenapa? Kalau on, belakangnya pakai S. On Sundays. Tapi kalau pakai every Sunday. Seperti itu. Ya. Jadi ada perbedaan ketika kita pakai on Sundays. Di semua hari Minggu. On Sundays. Okay. But using every Sunday. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next. We try to see here, I eat pizza, she studies English. Okay. Meanwhile, in the negative sentence, we change the verb one with do not or does not. Yang pakai do not, pronounnya atau kata ganti orangnya apa saja? Mr. Andre, maybe you can enlighten us. Can you give us information? The pronouns using do not. Or maybe Kevin can help? Kevin?
I,
The
I,
pronoun
you, they.
I, you, they. Or simply we can call it they, we, I, you.
You.
Yeah, they, we, or are you, they, we. Okay? And then
Are you,
that's
they,
Linda.
He, she, it.
Yeah, he, she, it. Very good. Yeah. And then look at in here. The pattern is subject and then plus do not or does not plus verb infinitive plus object. Loh, Mister, ini kok namanya verb infinitive bukan verb one. Nah, you need to know this one. Kalian perlu tahu nih, ya. Jadi, yang namanya verb setelah auxiliary, setelah kata bantu contoh ya, sini dan subject plus do not, jadi kita singkat saja don't atau doesn't, ya. Lalu setelah don't atau doesn't, itu ditambah verb infinitive, bukan verb one. Kalau verb one, dia masih bisa berakhiran S atau IS. Oke? Tapi kalau verb infinitive is the original verb
the basic.
without any suffix, tanpa imbuhan apapun. Ya? Oke, kita lihat contohnya di sini. We have the sample here. Look at it. Can you read this one, Mr. Andrea? Mr. Andrea, can you help me to read this one? I do not. Okay, maybe Mr. Corey can help.
I do not eat pizza.
Okay, next, Mr. Farid, can you help this?
She does not study English.
Yes, very good. Ya, jadi kata eat dan kata study di sini, ya kedudukannya adalah verb infinitive. Ya, jadi dia tidak mungkin mendapatkan akhiran. Contoh akhiran itu I do not eat, I do not eating, I do not eat, apalagi ya. She does not study, salah. She does not studying, salah. She does not study. Ya.
Study.
Disebutnya adalah verb infinitive. Oke?
Infinitive.
Apa tadi? Verb
Verb infinitive.
Ya, verb infinitive.
Sorry.
Oke. Ya.
My mate got problem.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Mr. Andrea, how are you?
I'm
Nice to see
fine.
you. Okay. Sir, can you help me to read this one? The two remaining sentences in questions here. Do you eat?
Do you eat pizza? Does she
Next.
study English?
Okay. Does she study English? Yes. Within interrogative sentence, interrogative maksudnya adalah pertanyaan. Yeah. We have a
Question.
specific pattern, do or does, and then plus subject, and then plus verb infinitive plus object. Yeah. Do as the auxiliary atau kata bantu. Yeah. And then subject, you. Yeah. Verb infinitive, eat. Yeah. What is the object? Pizza. Do you eat pizza? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does she study English? Yes, she does. No, she does. She doesn't. Very
Doesn't.
good. Yes. Next, we have the sample of conversations, yeah, between A and B. Mr. Andrea, I want you to be A, and Haninda, I want you to be B. Okay, Mr. Andrea, you can start.
Hi there. What do you usually do on weekends?
Okay, Haninda.
Well, I usually spend time with my family or friends. How about you?
I play
Sir?
soccer with my friend every Saturday. It's our weekly routine.
Okay, Haninda.
That sounds fun. Do you also watch soccer matches on TV?
Mr.
Yes, I do. I'm a big fan of Manchester United, so I never miss their matches.
Wow, that's cool. I prefer watching movies or reading books on weekends.
Okay, Mister.
That's great. What kind of movies do you like?
I like
Anita?
romantic comedies and action movies. How about you?
I prefer watching sci-fi and fantasy movies. They make me to
I
a
prefer
whole new
watching sci-fi, Mister. Yeah,
or sci-
sci-fi.
I prefer watching sci-fi and fantasy movies. They
Mhm.
take me to a whole new world.
Okay, to a whole new world. Can you repeat?
To a whole new world.
Very good. Yeah. And then we try to discuss this conversation. Ya, kita coba diskusikan. Hi there, what do you usually do on weekends? Apa yang kamu biasanya lakukan di akhir pekan? Well, I usually spend time with my family or friends. How about you? Yeah, spend time with my family or friends. Kata spend time di sini kalau kita tambahkan verb, maka dia menjadi gerund atau present participle atau verb ing. Contoh ya, saya biasanya menghabiskan waktu memancing. Menjadi, well, I usually spend time fishing with my family. Kalau kamu suka berbelanja berarti, well, I usually spend time shopping with my family.
Shopping.
Oke, Mr. Corey. Kalau misalnya biasanya Mr. Corey biasa menghabiskan waktu untuk menonton. Jadi bagaimana? Well, I usually
spend time watching
watching movies gitu ya.
watching movies in the cinema
Okay,
with
yeah, at the
my
cinema
family
with
or
my
friends.
family or
Family
friends.
or
Very good.
friends.
Okay, what about Mr. Farid? Kalau misalnya Mr. Farid lebih suka menghabiskan waktu untuk membaca, menjadi apa, Mr. Farid? Well, I usually
Why I usually spend time berarti
membaca,
read apa reading? Reading.
reading. Yeah,
Reading.
I usually spend time reading with my family
My
or friends.
family
Okay.
or friends.
Kevin, kalau kamu sukanya membuat konten, berarti well, I usually
Well, I usually spend time making content with my family or
making content
friends.
with my family or friends. Okay. I play soccer with my friends every Saturday. Kata every Saturday, kalau kita ganti ini menjadi on, ini nanti menjadi I play soccer with my friends on Saturdays. Jadi Saturday-nya itu pakai S. Kalau kata every-nya itu sebagai preposition, kita ganti menjadi on. Ya, menjadi on Saturdays. Tapi kalau every Saturday. Ya, it's our weekly routine. Ya, harian daily, mingguan weekly. Oke,
Weekly.
bulanan
Monthly.
monthly. Very good. Kalau 6 bulanan,
Semester.
ya semesterly.
Semesterly.
Ya, kita bisa bilang semesterly. Ya, oke. Atau orang bisa bilang a half annually. Ya, annual itu kan tahunan ya. Oke.
Oh,
Jadi kalau misalnya
annually.
annual
Yeah.
routine,
Yes.
ya, annual routine itu adalah rutinitas tahunan. Ya, oke.
Tahunan.
Yes, that sounds fun. Do you also watch soccer matches on TV? Yes, I do. I'm a big fan of Manchester United, so I never miss their matches. Ya, jadi dalam bahasa Inggris, akhiran apapun yang bunyinya itu es, bunyinya ed, itu sebaiknya di-pronounce, dilafalkan. Ya, contohnya di sini, yes, I do. I'm a big fan of Manchester United, so I never miss their matches. Seperti itu. Jadi tetap kita tidak pronounce their match, tapi their matches. Ya, yang artinya itu adalah plural, jamak. Ya, tidak hanya satu pertandingan, tetapi berbagai pertandingan. Ya, okay. My question is to Mr. Andre. It's like this, Mr. Andre, what do you never do in your life? Tidak pernah melakukan apa nih?
Flying parachutes. The extreme sports, I never do it. Extreme sports.
Oh, extreme sports. So you never do, yeah, you never do extreme sports. Okay. Yeah, like for example, bungee jumping or maybe skiing, yeah, or maybe parachuting, like that, yeah. Okay. What about Haninda? Haninda, what do you never do in your life? I never. Haninda, are you still there? Okay, Mr. Corey, maybe? Mr. Corey?
Yes.
What do you never do in your life?
I never do sailing to the sea.
Okay, I never sail. Yeah,
Sail
I never sail on a boat in the sea.
on the boat.
Okay, that's very good. Next, wow, that's cool. I prefer watching movies or reading books on weekends. Kata prefer, ya, di sini dikutip oleh Sharon lagi-lagi, ya. I prefer watching movies, ya, to playing football. For example, I said, I prefer eating pizza to fried chicken. I prefer drinking coffee to tea, for example. Which one do you prefer doing? Yeah. Playing football or playing basketball? Mr. Farid. Mr. Farid, which one do you prefer doing? Playing football or playing basketball? I prefer
I prefer watching
I prefer playing football or playing basketball?
playing football.
Playing football. Very good. Kevin, which one do you prefer? Watching horror movies or maybe watching fantasy movies?
Watching fantasy movies.
Can you completely read it? I prefer.
I prefer watching fantasy movies.
Okay, very good. Yeah, I prefer watching fantasy movies. Very good. That's great. What kind of movies do you like? I like romantic comedies and action movies. How about you? I prefer watching sci-fi. Haninda, can you tell me what does sci-fi mean? Kira-kira sci-fi ini singkatan dari apa ya, Haninda? Maybe you can tell us the meaning of sci-fi. Okay, maybe I need the help from Miss Priska. Miss Priska, are you still there? Miss Priska?
Watching
Apa itu
science
sci-fi?
film, Mister.
Science
I
film
don't
science sudah
know.
betul.
I don't know.
V-nya atau V-nya masih salah.
Science
Fiction,
film.
fiction,
Science fiction, yes, yeah,
Fiction. Astagfirullah,
yeah,
ya.
science fiction. What is the meaning of fiction?
Phenomena.
What is the meaning of fiction? Fiction is a real
Not real.
story or unreal story. Fiction
Unreal.
is real or unreal?
Unreal.
Unreal. Yes. Yeah. I prefer sci-fi. Sci-fi is like Star Wars, yeah, Dune, or maybe Star Trek, or maybe yeah, something dealing with science and fiction, something like that. Yeah. They take me to a whole new world. Nah, kata whole di sini dibacanya bukan whole tapi whole, ya. Semacam
Home.
kita pronounce lubang ya, sama-sama whole.
Home.
Okay, let's do this together. Which sentence is in the simple present tense? Is it A, he will go to the mall later, she's sitting breakfast right now, or they always play football on weekends? A, B, C. A, B, C, number one?
C.
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 It's C, they always play football on weekends. Very good. Kevin, can you help me? Choose the correct sentence in the negative form of simple present tense. They not like chocolate, I not study, or he does not watch TV.
He does not watch TV in the morning.
Very good. Okay. Miss Priska, make a question sentence in simple present tense. He reads a book, they sing a song, or does he go to school by bus? A, B, C? Question sentence. Miss Priska? Miss Priska, are you still there?
A.
Okay. It is not A. Mr.
He-
Corey,
A or
can you help me?
C, ya? A or C.
Simple
He-
present.
sim-
Does
Number
she
three.
read a book every day?
Okay,
Does
he
she
go
read
to
a
Oh,
book
C, ya.
every
school,
day?
yeah?
Okay.
This one, yeah? Does he go to school by bus?
By the bus.
Yang question itu, yang C ya. Does he go to school
Oh,
by bus?
C.
Tapi Mr.
Oh.
Corey tadi
Oh,
juga,
iya.
I think
Mr.
make a
Corey
question,
juga
sir.
betul. Ya, ya.
Iya,
You
iya,
change
question. Iya.
the positive sentence into question ya, Mr. Corey ya. Menjadi
Oh,
apa?
yeah, that's
Does
right.
he read a book every
Does she read
day?
without S a book every day? Yes.
Okay, very good. Does she read a book every day? Itu adalah the change ya from the positive sentence into interrogative or a question. Okay, next. I give another opportunity to Kevin, maybe. Kevin, which sentence in the negative form or simple present tense? Which one is it? The negative? Is it I
They do
always say-
not eat meat.
They do not eat meat. So how do you call a person that doesn't eat meat? Seseorang yang tidak makan daging. What do you call
Vegetarian.
that person? Yeah, vegetarian, or maybe we can call him
Vegan.
or A vegan. Very good. Yes, Haninda.
Vegan.
Just the correct sentence in simple present tense. Haninda, are you still there?
Yeah.
Is it A, B, or C? Okay, I would like to give it to
B.
Mr. Farid. Mr. Farid? Oh, Haninda is still there. Okay. The correct sentence in the simple present tense, it is they play
Just every
chess every Friday night. Ya, sesuatu yang sounds routine or habitual actions. Ya. Oke. Jadi tambahan seperti ini. Present simple or simple present tense, ya, can be used to indicate factual news, ya, or to indicate facts. Sebuah fakta. Contoh gini. I will give you a sample on the whiteboard. Wait. Jadi, siapa ini? The sun rises from the east. Okay, my question is like this. Boleh nggak sih mengganti kata rises menjadi bentuk kedua yaitu rose? Boleh nggak?
Right.
Can I or cannot? Ya, I can change rises into rose. Ya, jadi saya harus selalu membahasakan the sun rises from the east. Karena kalau saya membahasakan the sun rose from the east, artinya matahari dulunya atau tadinya terbit dari sebelah timur gitu ya. Berarti sekarang terbit dari barat dong, gitu ya. Oh, bahaya. Oke, ya jadi selalu the sun rises from the east. Yeah. Next, factual sentences like this. The earth is round. Okay. Mr. Andrian, my question is like this. Boleh nggak? Can I change is into was? Mr. Andrian, can I change is into was?
Yeah. No, you cannot change the is with,
Okay, why? Why?
because the earth is round, not flat or the other.
Yeah, that's correct. Because when I changed the earth was round, artinya bumi itu dulunya bulat tuh. Berarti
Yeah.
sekarang circle
Flat.
or not circle anymore, or maybe square, yeah, or maybe it's like a pyramid, yeah. We cannot change it into was, yeah, because this one tells about factual news. The earth, yeah, from then, today, and then later will always be round. Okay, so the earth is round. Okay, we continue the second skill. Our target is 8 actually. The present continuous tense. Yeah, the difference is this one is using to be, and then plus verb ing. Like I'm currently writing an essay. Okay, can you help this one? Read this one? Maybe Mr. Corey. Mr. Corey, can you read this one?
Yes. He is studying for his exam tomorrow.
Is studying for his exam tomorrow. Dia sedang belajar untuk
Belajar ujian besok.
besok. Yes, the pattern is simply subject, and then to be, and then verb ing. Verb ing kita sebut juga present participle atau gerund. Yeah. Okay, I will write in here. Okay, and then the pattern is subject, and then to be. Subject plus is and or are. Yeah, and then plus verb ing, or we call it gerund, or we call it present participle. Okay. Subject apa yang is? Yang pakai is subjeknya apa? What kind of subject using is?
He.
He. What else?
She, he, it.
Okay. He, she, it. Okay. What kind of subject using and?
Only I.
Only
I.
I. Okay. What kind of subject using are?
You, we,
What kind of
I, you,
Okay.
they.
they, we, you, yeah, or you, we, they. Okay? Yeah, he is, she is, it is, I am, they are, we are, you are. Okay? They are playing football in the park. Okay, Mr. Corey. If I change they into I, menjadi apa?
I am playing football in the park.
I am playing football in the park. Mr. Andrea, the children are watching a movie on TV. I changed the children into I.
I am watching a movie on TV.
I'm watching a movie on TV. Very good. Haninda, she's cooking dinner for her family. I changed she into they.
They are cooking dinner for her family.
They are cooking dinner for her family. Very good. Yeah. And then Miss Priska, kalau saya ubah she di sini menjadi I, jadinya apa? Miss Priska,
I'm cooking. Berarti I'm
I am
cooking
cooking
dinner
dinner
for her
for my family, gitu ya. I'm cooking dinner for my
for
family.
my
So,
family.
yes. The three to be's, yeah, is and are always following the subject. Yeah. He is, she is, they are, we are, you are, I am. Okay, we have the sample of conversation. I want Mr. Corey to be A and Miss
Okay.
Priska to be B. Yeah, Mr. Corey will be A. Miss Priska will be B. Okay? Mr. Corey, you can start first.
Okay. What are you doing these days?
Miss
I'm
Priska?
preparing for my final exam. They are just around the corner.
Okay, Mr. Corey.
Oh, I see. How is going so far? How is it going so
Okay.
far?
Okay.
It's going well. I think I'm studying hard and attending all my
Okay.
classes.
That's great to hear. Are you enjoying your studies?
Mm-hmm. Miss Priska?
To be honest, not really. It's a bit stressful, but I know
Mhm.
it will pay off in the end.
Okay.
I
Mr.
understand.
Corey.
What else are you doing these days?
Okay. Miss Priska?
Well, I'm so working part-time at a cafe near my house. It's a good
Mhm.
way to earn some extra money.
Okay, Mr. Corey?
That's cool. How many hours a week do you work?
Okay. Miss Priska?
Yes, I work around 15 hour a week, mostly
Mm.
on weekends.
Okay, Mr. Corey?
Sounds like
Okay.
you're keeping busy. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Okay, Miss Priska?
Yes, I'm planning to hang out with my friends on Saturday and catch up on some sleep on Sunday.
Okay, let's discuss about this one. Yeah. So, what are you doing these days? Yeah. Di sini kenapa pakai this, bukan this? Ya. Kalau THIS itu this. Kalau ini bacanya, the pronunciation of this is these.
This,
Ya.
this.
This singular. These plural.
Plural.
Oke.
Plural.
Di sini these days artinya adalah akhir-akhir ini atau sepanjang hari di dalam minggu ini. Ya. What are you doing these days? Yeah, not only single day, not only one day, but also more than one. Yeah, maybe 2 days,
In
3
a
days.
row, maybe so.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I'm preparing for my final exams. Aku sedang persiapkan ujianku. Okay, I'm asking Mr. Andrea, what does exam stand for? Singkatan dari apakah exam?
Examination.
Examinations. Okay, my next questions to Mr. Corey. Kalau examinations itu ujian, kalau menguji itu apa bahasa Inggrisnya, Mr. Corey?
Menguji.
Hmm.
Testing.
Pakai kata yang sama dong.
Oh. Apa ya?
Menguji
Examiner. Maybe.
Kalau examiner itu ini penguji,
Menguji.
orang yang menguji.
Examinate.
Oh, examinate.
Oh.
Nah, kalau menguji itu adalah examine, bukan examine ya, tapi
Examine.
examine. Contoh gini, ya, the doctor, ya, examine, ya. The doctor
Oh.
examines the patient. Ya. The doctor examines the patient. Maksudnya adalah si dokter itu ngecek si pasien seperti itu. Atau misalnya the lecturer, ya, the lecturer examined all of the students, all of the university students, ya, in the exam seperti itu. Nah, cara kita tahu bagaimana pronunciation yang benar itu ada di situs ini, teman-teman. Namanya tophonetics.com, ya. Jadi tophonetics.com ini bisa digunakan untuk mendeteksi fonetik. Contoh ya, I will write examine like this. I will click show transcriptions, and then it will show us or indicates pronunciations symbol. Ya, di sini ada examine. Ya,
It's still in Google Docs. Sorry, isn't
in
it?
Google Docs. I'm still in Google Docs.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I will share all of my screen first. Wait. I will stop sharing screen on Google Docs, and then I will try to share the tophonetics, this one. Okay, this is the site, tophonetics.com. Okay, and then last time I wrote examine, E-X-A-M-I-N-E. And then I click show transcriptions, and voila. Yeah, the result came this one, examine. Play, ya. Kita play. Ya, examine. Apa bacanya?
Examine.
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 Examine bukan
Examine.
examine ya. Kadang-kadang orang salah baca, menguji itu bukan examine, tapi examine. Oke? Kalau panjangnya examination,
Examine.
ujian. Oke? I try to share again the Google Docs, yeah, to indicate our module of learning today. Wait, okay, you can see again this. The doctor examines the patient. Oh, I see. How is it going so far? Ya, bagaimana perkembangannya sejauh ini? And then, it's going well, I think. I'm studying hard and attending all my classes. Yeah, studying hard. Saya belajar dengan tekun. And attending all my classes. Ya, jadi saya selama ini itu belajar dengan tekun. And attending all of my classes. Attend itu adalah menghadiri. Contoh gini. Hey, Mr. Andrea, what are you doing today? I'm so sorry, I'm busy. What are you doing? I'm attending a meeting, a very important meeting. Yang artinya apa, Mr. Andrea? I'm attending a very important meeting.
Saya mengikuti meeting yang sangat penting.
Oke, saya sedang menghadiri ya sebuah rapat penting. Ya. Oke, Hanimda, what is the meaning of I'm attending my sister's wedding party?
Aku menghadiri pernikahan kakak perempuan.
Oke, pesta pernikahan kakak atau adik perempuanku. Oke, that's great to hear. Are you enjoying your studies? To be honest, not really. It's a bit stressful, but I know it will pay off in the end. What is the meaning of pay off? Pay off itu apa sih artinya? Terbayarkan gitu ya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I work so hard at the office. Yeah. I know it's really tiring, but I know it will pay off in the end. Yeah. I need to be patient. Aku harus sabar. Yeah. I'm working hard at the office. It is tiring, ya, melelahkan, but I know it will pay off in the end. That's the meaning of pay off. Apa pay off? Membuahkan hasil. Yeah. Okay, next. I understand. What else are you doing these days? Well, I'm also working part-time at a cafe near my house. It's a good way to earn some extra money. What is the meaning of earn? Mr. Corey? What is the meaning of earn?
To get some extra money.
Get some extra money. Yeah. Earn refers to sesuatu yang dihasilkan berupa uang. Yeah. Earn some extra money. Okay. So that's cool. How many hours a week do you work? I work around 15 hours a week, mostly on weekends. Sounds like you're keeping busy. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I'm planning to hang out with my friends on Saturday. Yeah. And catch up on some sleep on Sunday. Okay, good. Let's do the question. Mr. Andrea, which of the following sentences is in present continuous tense? They ate pizza for lunch. She's going.
She's dancing in living room.
Okay, she's dancing in the leaving room. Ya, atau be juga bisa ya. Is going
Is
to
going
the
to school.
store.
Yeah.
Yes.
Going.
Corey, which form of to be is used with the subject I in the present continuous tense?
I am.
Okay, I am very good. Mr. Farid, what is the correct form of the verb to study in present continuous?
They are studying.
They
They
are
are-
studying. Very good. Very good. Miss Priska, which of the following sentences is not in the present continuous tense? Yang bukan.
Mm.
Yang bukan adalah he has been studying for 4 hours ya. He has been
Yes.
studying 4 hours itu maksudnya adalah ke present perfect continuous. Nanti kita bahas apa itu present perfect continuous. Kevin, what is the correct form of to be to play with the subject of we?
We play.
We
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 we are playing. Sorry.
we are
we are
playing. Very good.
playing.
Yeah. We are playing because it is present continuous. We go to the next skill here. Yeah. Present perfect tense. Yeah. Jadi ini begini. Kadang ada kerancuan penggunaan present perfect dengan past simple. Contoh gini ya. I will try to give comparisons on the whiteboard. Saya akan buat perbandingan. Oke, contohnya gini. I took a bath dengan I have taken a bath. Okay. I took a bath. It is stated in past simple. Yeah. Subject, verb to, and then this one is the object. And then this one, I have taken a bath. It is written in present perfect tense. My only question is, what is the difference? Apa perbedaannya? Anyone can speak up about the difference between I took a bath and I have taken a bath?
Yang
Mr.
atas itu
Andreas?
sedang mandi, yang bawah itu sedang mandi dan masih mandi.
Okay. Ada yang lain? Is there any other opinion? Mr. Corey,
Jangan-
maybe?
No.
Okay. Siapapun? Anyone? Kevin? Or Mr. Farid?
I took a bath lebih ke past tense, Mister, kalau menurut saya. Kalau I have taken a bath itu sudah mandi. Jadi kalau I took a bath tuh kayak apa ya? Kayak kemarin-kemarin gitu mungkin sih.
Baru
Okay,
selesai.
Haninda, do you have your opinion about the difference, spotting the difference between I took a bath and I have taken a bath?
Maybe with the past tense, it use verb to, and then
Okay, that's structurally speaking, ya. Secara
Yeah.
struktur gitu ya. What about the meaning? What about the meaning?
The
Dari
verse.
segi arti ada perbedaan nggak? Oke, dari segi arti, I took a bath. Ya, it told us general information about your past activity. Jadi I took a bath itu dia hanya memberikan informasi yang umum. I took a bath. Oh, okay, good. Tapi kalau I have taken a bath, yeah, you really emphasize that you have done something, and it's very important. Jadi kayak penekanannya itu lebih, ya, lebih kuat di I have taken a bath. Ya. Jadi gini, I have taken a bath. Oh, okay, now I know. Jadi memberikan penegasan, ya bahwasanya saya sudah mandi loh. Dan itu penting kamu beritahukan, ya. Why? Maybe you'll be asked or invited to go out, yeah, for a wedding party, for any party, yeah, for a hangout, for example. Have you taken a bath? Yes, I have taken a bath. Gitu. Nah, kalau I took a bath, itu semacam ya only general informations. Ya secara struktur tadi, betul. Di sini adalah past simple, yang ini adalah present perfect tense. Jadi intinya present perfect tense adalah bentuk kata kerja yang menggambarkan tindakan yang terjadi pada masa lalu dan masih berlanjut. Nah, untuk masih berlanjut ini case-nya tertentu. Kayak Mr. Andreat tadi ya. Contohnya gini Mr. Andreat. How long have you worked in your company? Sudah berapa lama Mr. Andrian bekerja di perusahaan?
I have been 1 year.
Kalau I have been, berarti pakai verb ing ya Mr. Andrian. I have been working for
For 1 year.
for 3 years, 10
Yeah.
years gitu ya. I've been working for 10 years ya at my company. Ya. Atau kalau tidak pakai been ya, berarti I have worked seperti itu ya. I
Oh.
have worked ya for 3 years in my company. Oh, ya oke. Jadi perbedaannya. Jadi sama-sama mengindikasikan bahwasanya we have done something in the past and then now we still do it. Ya, itu betul. Salah satunya misalnya kita mau bilang I have worked begitu ya at the company for example 10 years. I have worked at the company for 10 years. Okay. Itu artinya something that you have done in the past and then now you're still doing it. Atau I have been working at the company for 10 years. Okay, no problem. Sama dengan case-nya tinggal. Haninda, how long have you lived in Sukabumi?
I have lived in Sukabumi for 3 years.
Okay, I have lived in Sukabumi for 3 years. So for more than 3 years. Okay, yeah. The context of have lived, it means you lived already 3 years. Yeah. You started to live in Sukabumi 3 years ago. And then now you still live in Sukabumi. I have lived in Sukabumi for 3 years. Ya. Untuk konteks tertentu, betul. Bisa mengandung makna kita sudah melakukannya di masa lalu dan sampai sekarang masih. Ya, tapi untuk konteks biasanya adalah untuk menjelaskan kita sudah melakukan sesuatu. Okay, Mr. Corey, can you read this one? I have
eaten breakfast.
Okay, Mr. Farid, number 2.
He has finished his text.
Okay, Kevin.
I have been to Bali twice.
Okay, Miss Priska.
My father has worked in his company for 10 years.
Okay, Mr. Andriat. I have never seen.
I have never seen that movie before.
Okay, Miss Priska. Oh, udah ya. Nah, di sini kita lihat ya. I have eaten breakfast. Ya. Itu berbeda dengan I ate breakfast. Ya. Ini penekanannya lebih strong atau stronger. Ya. I have eaten breakfast. And I always have breakfast in the morning because I would like to insert my body with energy, with carbohydrate, like that. Yeah. He has finished his task. Oh, congratulations. You are free now, like that. They have been to Bali twice. How long have you been to Bali? I've been to Bali twice. Okay, congratulations. Ya. Kalau ditanya misalnya, Miss Priska, how long or how often do you go to Bali? How often have you been to Bali? I've been to Bali.
How often
I have been to Bali
I have been to Bali
once, twice, 3 times, 4 times?
once.
Okay, very good. Kevin, how long have you been to Bali? Or how often do you go to Bali? How often have you been to Bali? I've been to
3
Bali
times.
3
I've been
times. Okay.
To Bali 3 times.
Mr. Andrea, how often have you been to Bali?
I have been to Bali 3 times.
3 times. Wow, that's great. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Corey, have you been to Bali?
I have been to Bali 1 time in a year.
Oh, once. Okay, once. Yeah.
Once.
Mr. Farid, have you been to Bali?
I have been to Bali 1 time.
Okay, once. Yeah, once. Once,
Once.
twice, 3 times, 4 times. Yeah. Okay. Next, we have, of course, different pattern for positive, negative, and the questions. For the negative, subject, have, has, plus not, yeah, and then verb 3. Okay, we try to rehearse. We try to review the form of verb 3, ya. Oke, my question. Kalau misalnya subjeknya itu adalah drink. Oke, drink. Verb 3-nya menjadi apa?
Drunk.
It's drunk. Yeah. For example, I've ever drunk a soda. I've ever drunk a box of milk. I've ever drunk a cup of coffee. Yeah. Jadi drink, drank,
Effort.
drunk. Good. Oke, kalau misalnya verbnya itu buy, what is the third form of buy?
Brought.
It's bought. Ya, bukan bought, tapi bought. Ya.
Bought.
Again and again, we can check the pronunciation here in the phonetics. Yeah, it's bought. Like for example, I've ever bought an iPhone. Yeah, a long time ago. Or maybe I've ever bought a new bicycle with my saving money, for example, like that. Yeah, bought. What is the third form of the word, for example, write? Write menjadi
Written.
bentuk
Written.
ketiganya written. Very good.
Written.
It's written.
Right.
Yeah, read like this. Bukan written tapi written. Yeah. What is the third form of read?
Red.
Yes, very good. We call it homograph. Yeah. The same word,
Writing.
same writing, but different pronunciation.
Different.
Jadi read, read, read. Have you read that novel? Yes, I've read that novel. It's very interesting. I like the plot. I like the character. Yeah. I like the story development like that. Yeah. Have you read the newspaper today? Yes. Indonesia won again versus Vietnam, or something like that. Yeah. Read, 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 read. Okay. You try to go down. And then we have the conversation again. I would like to appoint A will be Mr. Farid. Ya. Mr. Farid jadi A. Kemudian Haninda jadi B. Okay. Mr. Farid, can you read this one?
Hey, have you seen the new movie that everyone is talking about?
No, I
Anita?
haven't. What movie are you talking about?
It's
Mhm.
called The Matrix Resurrections.
Okay.
It just came out last week.
Oh,
Okay.
I've heard of it. Is it any good?
Yes,
Mhm.
it's amazing.
I've
I've
already.
already seen it twice.
Okay,
Wow.
Haninda.
That's impressive. Where did you see it?
I saw
Okay.
it the new camera and I saw
I
it
saw it.
at the new cinema in the mall. Have you been there yet?
No, I haven't. I've been meaning to go there though.
Mhm.
You should.
You should.
You should. Apa itu?
Definitely.
Definitely check it out. It's a
Hmm.
great cinema with a
Huge
Haka Papa.
screen.
huge screens and amazing sound system.
Very
Thanks for
good.
the
Haninda.
recommendations. I'll make sure to watch the movie and visit the cinema soon.
Okay, very good. Yeah, well done. Exquisite. Hey, have you seen the new movie that everyone is talking about? Kevin, can you help me to identify the first one of the word see?
C.
Apa first one?
See,
See. Very good. What is the second form, Kevin?
So.
So, yes. Yeah. Hey, have you seen the movie that everyone is talking about? Yes, I've seen it. Oh, yeah, yesterday I saw it. Yeah. Oh, yesterday I watched it. Yeah. No, I haven't. What movie are you talking about? It's called The Matrix Resurrections. It just came out last week. Yeah. Mr. Cody, can you identify the first one of the word came?
Come.
Okay. Come, came. What is the third?
Came.
Apa yang ketiga? Come, came. Yang ketiga?
Came.
Come, came, come. Yeah. Okay. Come,
Come.
came,
Came. Come.
Okay. Yes. Have you come to my office? Yes, I've come to your office, and you weren't there. Yeah, but I have come to your office. Gitu ya. Saya sudah ke kantormu, tapi kamu
Come.
tidak ada di sana. Seperti itu.
There
Ya.
is no.
The new series of the movie, yeah, has came. Seperti itu. Ya. Oh, I've heard of it. Is it any good? Haninda, try to identify the first form of the word heard.
Here.
Here, very good. Yes, it's
Here.
amazing. I've already seen it twice. Wow, that's impressive. Where did you see it? I saw it at the cinema in the mall. Have you been there yet? Okay, Mr. Andrea, what is the verb one of been?
Be. I have
Be.
be.
Be, betul ya. Be kayak misalnya di I will be a musician or I will be a rich person someday, seperti itu ya. Be ya. Be lalu dia berubah dalam presence menjadi is am are ya. In the past was were, and then the third form is been. Okay.
Been.
No, I haven't. I've been meaning to go there. Saya baru berencana. Saya sudah berencana untuk pergi ke sana. You should definitely check it out. It's a great cinema with a huge screen and amazing sound system. Jadi Mr. Farid, di sini bukan hub, tapi tadi apa? Huge, ya. This is big. This is huge. Huge is very big, yeah. An amazing sound system. Thanks for the recommendation. I'll make sure to watch the movie and visit the cinema soon. Okay, let's do this one together. Number one, Mr. Andrea. She
has studied for 3 hours.
Okay, she has studied or she
For 3
has
hours.
been studying for 3 hours, ya. Bisa dua jawabannya. She has studied or she has been studying for 3 hours. Yeah. It means she started to study 3 hours ago and she is still studying. Yeah. She has been studying for 3 hours or she has studied for 3 hours. Okay. Next, Miss Priska, we Miss Priska, number two. We
Yes.
we
We have
we
We
have
have-
not
we have
or
not
we haven't we have not finished with each
we have not
project.
finished
finished
we have
the
not
project
finished
yet.
finished the
The
project yet.
project yet. Yeah. Jadi ingat ya, we have regular verb in which it is simply plus ed as the suffix, akhirannya ed, and we have irregular verb. Yeah. What is regular verb samples? Regular verb samples like finished, watched, washed, walked, cooked. Yeah. Liked, started. Seperti itu. Yeah. Okay, number three. I want Kevin to answer this one. Tom and Jane
Tom and Jen have been married for 5 years.
have been married for 5 years. Good. Okay, Mr. Farid. I Mr. Farid?
I have already eaten it.
I
Eaten.
have already eaten. I have already eaten breakfast this
Breakfast this morning.
morning. Okay, Mr. Corey.
They have just arrived at the airport.
Yes, very good. Very good. They have just arrived at the airport. Yeah. Arrived belongs to regular verbs. Okay.
Regular.
Okay, guys. I think that's all for today. Yeah, until skill 3. We try to
Okay.
cover more skills for tomorrow. I will give you a homework. Yeah. I will send you later. Yeah, the video of mine using present simple and then present continuous and present perfect, yeah, in a context of paragraph that will be spoken by me. Ya, jadi saya nanti akan kasih PR, yaitu berupa video, di mana saya menggunakan present simple, yang kedua adalah present continuous, yang ketiga adalah present perfect, ya, dalam simple story or simple paragraph. Okay, yeah, and then I want everyone to make it too. Yeah, just wait in the group. Okay, that's all for today. Can we take a picture for today?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, let's take a picture for today. Okay, I'll try to stop presenting first. Stop presenting, and then everyone can see me. Sebentar, ini untuk set layoutnya. Try to change the layout first. Okay, it's tiled. This one. Okay. Kevin, can you open Cap? We want to take a picture. Oh
Okay,
yeah. Okay.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Well, okay. I want to take a picture with me. Wait.
Okay.
Okay. That's Kevin. Kevin looks like Richard so much, yeah.
Yes.
Because you're brothers, yeah. Okay. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Thank you so much for today, guys. I see you
you.
You're
tomorrow.
welcome,
I
sir.
will
See you tomorrow
Yes, sir.
all.
And I will share the video for today for your review later. Ya, nanti videonya untuk hari ini saya akan share untuk kalian review lagi ya.
Okay,
Okay, that's all.
sir.
Okay, thank you so much, and then
Thank
see you
you.
tomorrow. Bye.
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 Bye, Mr. Andrea, Mr. Corey, Miss
Bye,
Prisma,
sir. Thank you so much.
Anita. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.